Hi guys, so the time has finally come. I am gonna be redecorating my room again. So I actually redecorated my room last summer, so almost a year ago. I will leave that in one of the corners so you guys can go watch that if you haven't already watched it. So today we are going to be moving my furniture around in my room. But yeah, I'm super excited, so we're just gonna get started. So I just realized that I forgot to film a before of my room. So just picture my desk that was right there with the rug. And then we have that stuff on the wall. We have them. And then we have like my bed over there and everything on the wall over there. And then all of this stuff was over here. Not a very good explanation, but it'll have to do. So we kind of broke the bed. This part kind of like came off a little bit.
We met on a summer day in June. Said you were headed all the way to Malibu. You've never been, but you always wanted to. You moved out from the East Coast.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I need to put all this stuff back onto my bed.
Things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be your tour guide in a city. We might be riding around.
The other mirror, I promise, is gonna look a lot better. So yeah, that's all we have for now. Okay, so we got the mirror. So I found this one off of Amazon. So it has like the plastic stuff on it, so we'll take that off. Oh my god, so satisfying. You guys, I have literally wanted a mirror like this for forever. Like, I don't think you guys understand. I have wanted this for so long and I finally have it. Like, so many cute mirror pics. I can film with the mirror for like outfits and stuff like that. It's like kind of perfect. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed for this video. I really wanted to organize my closet before I redecorated my room because my closet was something that like had to get done. So let me show you guys what my room looks like now. Okay, here's what we got going on right now. Cute dog. This whole thing is new. Back there's all the stuff for my company. Got my desk, giant teddy bear, clothing rack, decorations, vines, flowers, bed. Cool. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is take all the decorations off of the walls so we have a blank canvas to start from. I'm very convinced that I don't want these anymore, but I'm not gonna get rid of them because I'm very indecisive. What if I change my mind?
I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go.
That guy is staying up there. I like him there. But other than that, everything is taken down. And then the next thing to figure out is my mirror situation here. So the problem with my mirror that I didn't realize is that when it was scooched over a little bit that way, my light and fan were in the background and it messed up all the pictures. And I know that's like the dumbest reason ever, but it's one of the reasons I bought the mirror, for cute mirror pics, and I don't want the light to be messing it up. So it could either be on this wall or it could go on that wall. Lately I've been filming over there on my bed, so I'm facing that way and my camera's facing this way. So this part is the background of my videos, and I really like that setup. I like how there's a little bit of the window in the background, and I don't want to change that setup.
I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days 2 a.m. a shift phase, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen, my rock cumbersome, run out on you.
I love my mirror right here, but that light literally just messes everything up. So I don't know, I might have to just have it on that wall or face this way. I think this will work. Paisley, do you know? Because I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put the clothing rack here just to see if it looks good.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go.
Okay guys, it is the next day. So this is what we ended up with for like the furniture and stuff. So I really like this area being my company area. And when I do sit down videos, I film like in this direction. So this is the background. So this is kind of like my YouTube area. Okay, so I have this tapestry. It was at my room in the sorority house. So I think I'm gonna put it on this wall. I feel like it's the perfect size for this particular wall. So I am gonna hang it up here, or at least attempt to hang it up.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy.
I told you guys it was literally perfect for this wall, but I think it's so cute. Okay, so I have these string lights and I am gonna hang them up above my bed right here. I think it looks really cute. Okay, so since this little area of my room is going to be my Etsy store / Opal and Ivory area, I am going to hang up these. I'm gonna put them right here just so I can pin any kind of notes and stuff to them, reminders, that sort of thing. We're gonna try it with masking tape first. I have hung these up before and they always fall down with the command strip. So we're gonna try it this way first. Okay, this is what it looks like. I think it looks super cute. Other than putting stuff on the shelf right there, I feel like this area is pretty much done. So I laid outside in the sun today. I got burnt. Oh, it's just so bad. Okay, so I bought these vines off of Amazon and I think I want to hang them up right there somehow. Okay, so this is what they look like out of the package and I think they're all connected. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all connected. Wait, maybe not. They're not all connected. Okay, that's perfect because I thought I was gonna have to like cut them and stuff, but wait, that's actually so perfect. Okay, so this is how it turned out. So basically what I did was I folded the vine in half and then stuck it on the command strip. Like, I'm not mad at it. I think it's really cute like this. You can kind of see it in the mirror. Hi guys, it's day however many days it's been since I started this room makeover, like a bajillion. But today I'm going to be putting up my Polaroid wall and I am so excited. So I decided to put it up on this wall next to my door. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, so these are all the Polaroids I have. It's not like a ton, but it's a decent amount. So I'm hanging them up with sticky tack. Originally when I hung them up in the sorority house, I used pins. So there's a hole in some of them. So I was hanging them up and I was like, this one's from Thanksgiving and this one was taken when I came home for quarantine. And I was like, there's no way I didn't take a Polaroid picture in between Thanksgiving and quarantine. I found a whole stack. So I went into my bucket of room decor stuff and I found another stack. I knew it, there's no way I didn't take a Polaroid picture. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move them like up a little bit. I think it's a little too far down. Honestly, the cutest thing ever. There's so many memories. Oh, this makes me so happy. I literally love it. Also, it's so satisfying that it like is even and there's like an even amount. So I just got a package from Joann's, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. It's a pretty big package. So they were having a huge sale, so I bought some stuff and it's all plant related. I want some plant friends, okay? So these plants were only a couple dollars each. So this is what I got. There's kind of like dirt everywhere, but it's fine. It's so cute. So I'm really excited about it. I think it's gonna be so cute. It looks so cute. Okay, so I am going to plant my plants. This looks so weird. They're so tiny. Guys, my little plants are gonna be so cute. You guys, I'm already in love with them. I think it's time to finally just start throwing stuff up on the wall. I keep putting it off because I don't know like where I want certain things to go, but I think we just like have to do it. So we're gonna do it. Okay, so here's all the stuff that I have to put up. I have this stack here. I have a few things in here and there's some stuff in there too. I think it turned out really cute. Paisley, what do you think? I think it looks super cute in the background and I don't know how I did this. I made every single part of my room filmable. That was one of my biggest goals when I started this room makeover and it's all cute. So this whole process has taken a really long time. I think it's almost been 2 months since I started, which is a really long time. But I honestly just never felt like my room was perfect, and then I realized that I probably would never feel like it was perfect. So I decided to add the finishing touches and I think my room is done. I absolutely love how it turned out. I spend so much time in my room now. It's such a creative and happy place for me and I love that. So I am going to show you guys how my room turned out. I will be doing an official room tour very, very soon. But yeah, I really hope you guys like it and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think of it. enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this a giant thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do that. Go turn on the little notifications bell down below as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and being a part of my room makeover with me. I had such a fun time redoing my room, and I'm so glad I can just finally enjoy it now. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!